배고파요 뭐를 먹지 떡볶이 먹자. Today I will be slaying my inner hunger demons with one of Korea's most iconic comfort foods, tteokbokki. 배고파요? Are you hungry? 뭐를 먹지? What should we eat? tteokbokki 먹자. Let's eat tteokbokki together. Tteokbokki is a Korean dish that is made of chewy, delicious rice cakes, all smothered in a beautifully spicy and flavorful sauce. It's a dish you can see all over the place in Korea. From markets to street vendors, you can see it everywhere, being devoured by young students all the way to old 할아버지s and 할머nis. It's a dish that makes everyone happy. And I would like to be happy with you today. So shall we get slaying together? 가자! Tteokbokki has a long and very interesting history. Did you know that the early versions of tteokbokki were very different from today's spicy dish? It was called gukjung tteokbokki. It was served in the royal courts of the Joseon dynasty. It was made with soy sauce, beef, vegetables, and of course rice cakes. And it was not spicy at all. The modern spicy version we love today was popularized in the 1950s in Seoul by a street vendor named Ma-neul. And she created it by accident. She was cooking and she accidentally put gochujang in this dish. And of course, it quickly became a sensation. Tteokbokki is a must-have at Korean street markets, especially in areas like Myeongdong. It's cheap, it's filling, and it's easy to find. From street stalls to convenience stores, people all over Korea are munching on tteokbokki. Tteokbokki has really come a long way, from a royal dish to everyday street food, and today it's one of the global symbols of Korean cuisine. tteokbokki 만들어 볼까요? Shall we make tteokbokki together? But before we get started, make sure you have a grown-up nearby who can help you make this dish with you. Because we will be chopping and cooking on the stove, so you will always need a trusted grown-up to help you make a dish like tteokbokki. So grab them now and let's get going. Let's start with tteokbokki ingredients. First things first, tteok. Rice cakes. You will find this kind of tteok usually in the frozen aisle, and I soak these in cold water for 10 minutes so they're ready to go. You'll also need eomuk. Eomuk is fish cakes in Korean. And they're usually flat like this, the ones we eat with tteokbokki. But eomuk also looks like this. So you can use any kind that you can find. 어묵, 동그란 어묵, 하얀 어묵, 네모난 어묵, 모양이 많아요. So I will be using the flat ones today that I cut up into bite-sized pieces. And then we have onions, 양파. 양파도 있습니다. 총총총 썰었어요. I chop these up into nice bite-sized pieces. I use one medium onion. The main ingredient in the tteokbokki sauce is gochujang. Gochujang is fermented chili paste. Gochujang is what gives tteokbokki its spicy flavor. 맵고 너무 맛있어요. make sure to ask the grown-up in your life to get you some gochujang because not only will you use it for tteokbokki, but you'll use it for many, many other Korean dishes. 맛있는 냄새가 나네요. You will also need garlic. 마늘. 마늘이 필요해요. I chopped up the garlic very small like this. You will also need sugar. 설탕. You will need about 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then we have soy sauce. 간장. 간장. You will need about 1 tablespoon of 간장. You'll also need some liquid to boil your beautiful tteok and your sauce in. And today, I'll be using 2 cups of chicken stock, but you can use vegetable stock or even just water. Stock in Korean is yuksu. Yuksu. Can you say yuksu? Yuksu. And at the very end of your tteokbokki dish, you will want to put some garnish, some sprinkly magical things on top to make it even more delicious. 깨. Sesame seeds. Nutty. And we will be using some sliced up scallions. 파를 쓸 겁니다. So shall we review all the beautiful ingredients that are gonna go into our tteokbokki? 처음은 떡. Can you say 떡? 떡. 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 그리고 어묵. 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 양파. 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 고추장. 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 마늘. 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 설탕. 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 간장. 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 육수. 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 깨. 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 파. 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 네, 우리 친구들, 우리 요리 시작할까요? Okay, 우리 friends, shall we get cooking? And you'll be wanting to use a pan like this. Something flat and wide so all of your tteok and your sauce can get bubbly and evenly cooked. You'll want to turn your heat to about medium. And we will start with our broth. So we're going to add 2 cups of chicken broth to the pan. And remember, friends, 우리 친구들, when you're using heat, you need to have a grown-up with you. Okay? And then we'll be adding the sauce ingredients. The heat, the sweetness, the savory, 매운 소스, 매콤 달콤한 소스, 맛있는 소스. As our stock is heating up, we will add 3 tablespoons of gochujang, our fermented chili paste. 하나, 1, 둘, 2, 셋, 3. 하나, 둘, 셋. 하나, 둘, 셋. 고추장, 설탕. Our sugar goes next. Let's put 2 tablespoons of sugar right in. 마늘. Our minced garlic will go in now. Ooh. And then we will add 간장. 간장은 1 스푼 집어넣읍시다, 우리. Saucy. And we will cook this for a few minutes until everything is nicely dissolved. 소스가 어떤 색깔이죠? 빨간색. 맞아요. 맛있는 빨간색이 됐어요. The sauce has become a delicious red. 빨간색. 네, 우리 친구들. So the sauce is getting bubbly and a little spicy. And it's about ready for the tteok. Let's put our tteok friends into the sauce. 오, 떡이 들어갑니다. They're going for a delicious swim. 어묵. 어묵도 집어넣어야 되죠? 어묵도 집어넣고 맛있겠다. 어묵 are fish cakes. So they're good for you. They have protein and lots of flavor. 양파. 우리 양파 친구도 집어넣어야 되죠? 양파도. 오, 양파가 들어갑니다. They're joining our tteok friends and our eomuk friends. They're all in. Let's slowly and carefully stir this around. We're going to be cooking this on a medium-high heat for 3 to 5 minutes. And we want to keep an eye on it because what you don't want in tteokbokki is for the tteok to get overcooked. So the tteok gets too squishy and mushy if you overcook it. So we got to keep an eye on it. The best way to do that really is just taste a little bit as you go. So I would cook it for about 3 minutes, taste a little piece, and see where we are. 와! 우리 떡볶이가 거의 다 됐어요. Our tteokbokki is almost complete. 어머머머머머머. Now, let's see if our tteok is all finished. 우리 테스팅 해볼까요? Let's test our tteok. It's perfect. We're gonna use some garnish. 깨소금. I would say a few dashes like that. 맛있겠다. 우리 파. I'm going to be using my scissors. We can slice it straight into the pan. 오, 멋있죠? Cool, huh? I can already tell that my hunger demons are getting scared. 오, 무서워, 무서워. 떡볶이가 준비됐습니다. It is now ready to eat. 우리 같이 떡볶이 먹자. Are you ready to destroy those hunger demons? 배고파요. No more. 우리 한번 먹어볼까요? 짠! 부르세요. 후, 후, 뜨거워요. 오, 뜨거워. It is hot, so be careful. When I eat something spicy and delicious like tteokbokki, I like to drink something sweet like banana 맛 우유. This combo slays every time. I had so much fun destroying my hunger demon with you. I hope that you love tteokbokki as much as I do, and make sure to grab a grown-up and cook this dish immediately. If you liked today's video, I really hope that you like it and subscribe to the Uri Show YouTube page. And I and all the K-pop Demon Hunters characters will be showing you more about Korean food, Korean language, Korean culture, all the fun Korean things. So make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. 안녕 우리 친구들. 다음에 봐요.